Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 supports Windows Hello and your laptop has a fingerprint sensor. Once done, update Windows and the sensor driver via Settings Update and Security so enrollment is stable. Then sign in with your local or Microsoft account. You need a PIN set first. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and clean the sensor. Now, navigate to Settings, Account Sign-in Options to start the fingerprint setup process. You'll see the Windows Hello Fingerprint Setup wizard. Click Setup and follow prompts. Press your finger firmly, lift, and reposition to capture edges and the pad. This builds a full template, so enroll multiple angles and both thumbs if you use them. If prompted, create or confirm a PIN. Windows uses the PIN as fallback. Take your time. The software often asks for repeated scans to improve accuracy. Once the bar reaches completion, the system will confirm enrollment and store the biometric template securely. Finish by signing out and testing fingerprint sign-in at the lock screen and within apps that accept Windows Hello. If recognition is inconsistent, return to sign-in options and add additional fingerprints to improve coverage. Make sure your finger and sensor are clean and avoid wet or greasy surfaces. If problems persist, open Device Manager to reinstall the fingerprint driver, run the Windows troubleshooter, and reboot. These steps fix driver or configuration issues. Otherwise, contact the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.